Hi, I'm Stephanie. I'm the product manager of iBeam, and today I want to tell you about a new product. Introducing the TE-JEEP-BU-2. This kit fits the 2007 to 2017 Jeep Wrangler and the 2018 Wrangler AX-ADDCAM trim only. Everything you need to install and integrate a reverse camera is included in one convenient kit. The multi-adjustable bracket is versatile and adapts to different configurations, so installers can set the ideal viewing angle for a variety of factory and aftermarket Jeep spare tires. It allows 110 degrees of swing side to side with an additional 2.5 inches of travel at the head of the bracket. The base can also be adjusted on the spare tire bolts with 5 inches of height, allowing for different arrangements. The included camera has a wide diagonal viewing angle of 170 degrees that provides better driver visibility and reduces blind spots day or night. The durable steel bracket design, paired with a high-quality metal and IP67 rated camera housing, will withstand the elements. For easy integration into the factory display, this kit is powered by the Axxess AX-ADDCAM interface. This interface detects when the reverse camera is engaged and activates the backup camera to show the visual with parking lines. This kit includes a vehicle-specific harness that provides the option to add 3 additional camera inputs to the factory screen. For more information on this product, visit ibeamusa.com.